pin, didn't it? Mind you, you only put in the top bit.
Yeah, there's a pin there. See, there's not a pin for a little while. Alright. All I can do to change my pants.
You're in the right place.
Come on, Hal, get the cups out.
Oh,
Get in there. Pin there that's holding. Let's just cut the bottom. Just break it at the bottom. It takes me less time to cut the boat in half than it does for you to make a cup of coffee. Hal, it's boiling. Get those cups out.
might be close. Have you got any tea?
Hope so.
Oh, this is Baz's cup. It's got fat face on it.
Oh. Is there a gobshite cup there?
Is it what?
Gobshite cup.
No, I've got the monopoly on that.
Yeah. Barry's already got that one.
Yeah, and the t-shirt.
Gently, gently, gently. But he just wants to get a crowbar on it, doesn't he? Just work your way leaving it. Because all you can do is fuck up your veneer. Careful.
Something that, I would have thought that would have something stop in the middle. Have you not? You need to cut it a bit more. Have you gone? Oh, yeah,
This is all loose.
Yeah, it must have. It's moved. It's almost as if it's.
Well, it's pinned, isn't it?
I actually can't find the tea.
Howard, we give you one job.
There might not be any tea.
You
want something?
Little sachets of coffee.
You want something?
Get those coffees on the go.
Get in there and sort of pin
Might
it
have
off.
to be coffee, boys.
Yep, that's good.
Ooh, that was my finger. Yeah.
Coffee to Le Monde.
Yep.
Yes, please.
Would you like decaf or normal?
Normal.
You have a choice, apparently.
Just the size of it. Is it because you went at an angle? Is that why? Because it's rebated? Is that why?
Must have done.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
You've got the wrong angle for tangle, have you?
There you
Go.
Bit more at the bottom here, look. Down the bottom here first.
Yeah.
You're not.
Yeah. Just put some more cuts in.
It's just the pins.
There's a batten just there, Chaz.
Yeah. No, it's fully off the batten. It just wants to.
No, it's cut through the batten. It's at the bottom, Paul. Just cut.
Oh yeah, no,
Just
yeah.
cut through that batten there.
That's actually pinned in there.
Broken. Bit of glue on there.
Oh god, that's a hard bit.
There it is.
There was a panel pin in there once to make it rigid.
Right, put that on skip. Don't need that anymore.
Go and fill that keel box up.
There's nothing that leaps out at you, is there? Well, what you want to do, Faz, is give that a good clean up and then fill it with water again.
Yeah. I've got a dustpan and brush.
Yeah. What's that there? Is that a screw?
Bend it over.
Have you got a dustpan and brush?
Yeah, I'll go and get one.
Right.
It does feel wet from up here though.
Well, what if I just go and
Come fill it up, Chaz.
It looks like it's wet from up here.
There it is.
There.
Is it that screw?
No, it's the batten down there.
Show me. Where?
Just there. See that there?
Yeah, yeah. Keep filling it, Paul. Chaz,
It runs down from there.
is it the whole thing?
No, it's just here. Oh, there it is. It's a fucking... Alright, Chaz, can you stop it?
Yeah.
I can see it. There's someone's put some filler in the fucking hole.